Creating a work order in Netsuite is straightforward. Let's go through the steps together. First, navigate to the Transactions menu and click on Manufacturing, then select Built Work Orders. To filter the list and show only work orders for a specific assembly item, select the item from the drop-down menu. Next, choose a customer to filter the list for work orders associated with that customer, or select All to display all work orders. Now, select the posting period for the transaction. Keep in mind that you cannot post to a closed period. By default, today's date is inserted as the transaction date, but you can change it if needed. Select the bulk build from location used to build the orders. Check the filter box to show only orders associated with the selected location. Clear the box to build orders associated with any location or no location. In the Filter by field, choose one of the following work order filters: some items committed, all items committed, or ignore item availability. Click on the Select Order Number field to enter or scan transaction barcodes. Check the build box beside each order you want to build. Finally, click Submit to complete the process.